one, who policeman, obi your money and you don't have any right to attack the person. I mean, seriously, who your police now link it up with a wee boy. Someone you're supposed to even arrest the person for that act. Now, over respect a man way. Morally, no, any biblically, no, yeah, Christopher, no. Yeah, very cautious about certain things that we do. Bible na kasa at was and then upon your boom and say what I say. It is so far as yes, as me the ball now so na no so e ba no only.
If you want to say things so and someone a tasty pie and penache fornication say oba worry for pan no afani kunechi Bema worry for no afani kunechi na for mo de mo ba yen kan kwe in Bema ni de I hear to say norms ade aya dia to ebibiman mu say Bema de wotimi twempena na emba nso de taboo na so body no be firewood enti wo so afro wo a na ebi so etie sidwem afọ oye omuko ne echidete for incident AC sergeant bi a wono woda Kwabenya district ne Jumedie mu no oye police a wono no owo headquarters Kwabenya na ne yiri so aware no so ye police woman wono so bi beka say wono so di ne Jumedie ne Adenta district na therefore sergeant din wo hene ba edu nyanti yese ne yira waware no artistika akotua ne bride price no woni wo bi share dem a wo mudi mpaso agro na therefore wo di direction information wonya kakra ka kodru Odi kakra to anama wo koya asusu ampa wa kopie ne wife yi so ene papa ba ko ache say wo muti empaso abanete for ne ni ka wo mu ni say e ba ko yokoto no na wo hihye so kam na wo ni me yire twempena na ma be pie wo so aka mu no na be brown no ase na papa ya wo no ene obi jiri di mpemwa go sa chi sergeant onye ni edu onye ba mufanche onye ba edu sa buru no di kuso kasa asem ya police for so mu didi papa nso akọji police reporter just wo feeling about the health let for nsem yi mu nchemu ntino mi twame mo bana me abesom therefore asem ye nya wawa wo a just ma be chi wo empaso ne mejire na utuminya the gas electricity one so broom make one na sergeant no so wo to anamo no why dey bibi amfa wo say bi odi other person be count for evidence can I say for say mi mu nchire mu ntino mi ne ba ki abroni papa bi mi saka no ha mi ne ba ba shonto say bibi a fine
Ya ko pa no bibi a fine
say bi asi be ni wo Miniaba in somewhere esisi na yewawa ene dey report ayinya ya school girl 14 years I watch it you go ne madam na me ya adoma chese e yamba so na je incident we so wo ma be chi wa watch nya bu mi ebuso na aka konfo ya chi dia amunu wa na wo brasie esu we die na mi dia ba na wo ka fa dia na watching nti ana say then the post
manpower the name here of being manpower only manpower it's really just say wo yo if I say power me will be a mode since the fact that social uniform doesn't mean say more than they are sure that's all about something so refer Menchia can say now my viewers like I say after the start share more than subscribe to channel we bit from normal share to omo kai omo na fi some for be a why anymore so na me pass you so oye ni wa se ko ba oye ni was for Macani and I'm was in me, feeling the higher mission. Now, hey, and your crown, wow, your policewoman. Now, over 4 because boy. And your police boy, I say we are illegal, so more part of the church. It's all about new wee boy, and now it's all who said, Obi edge should be able to match. I always say we now there because of COVID-19. They're legalizing the cacao come to them. But I know that those people that only used to know are people that have papers to it. That is a more year a draw, a team year. So all of the no, it is illegal because that is not what the government wants people to do with the product or the weed. So I can say, it's wow, what's the I want you. Na more now, but Nipa no able to so no sound so she able to say. Power. I say what power okay. I hear no ma say one just say big boys they are powerful. Exactly. But as a woman, we be say now money can should do so. One get a good one and yeah, certain things are considered immoral. And even more is now as a one person of respect amount. I mean, respect you can't demand it from this particular guy. It's respect no money more. Anything that more because one person want to respect me. And money any reason to give you any respect. It's my me want to say what's that? Yeah, Casa Nipani, I say, please for Omoyobia, Omotai abusing on the least chance that they get. Oh, into Omo Bochas now, and your member Pui, and then we have had series of cases like this. And then you're not right now, police watch and so no, or the fire would be more than I say, I was a police now, it was wrong in a sense. One, no policeman, being your 1 year, you don't have any right to attack the person. And this particular gentleman, on year policeman in Bolivia, a day, make us anyway, right? But on year policeman in Bolivia, a day one, one out to see on also a defendant where just out of defense. Now, by then you rape. And I what I said, what the guy said, a hotel was saying. And I was also the Oban, me was a Beman that shit Oban free. The Jumbo has a sandwich. Oban was say, may go break now, our phone, our friend, the country man, my papa share in my country. I can go and think. I'm a fan of not hot friend is on us. This is a mutual agreement. So I say, a mutual agreement. Indeed, all policeman over the toes, now know what I am. Your ban, and your beman. And I say, Nancy, a beman to ya, who very so cry said, normally I am passing our kind and say, Obi, we are guilty, dear. Yeah, the baby are guilty. They are most of the time, who face certain like that, wrong ones. But because I didn't see a beman, they have a sample apart from the fact that so I'm sure you are police, most of police for the whole hour, they are treated to class and so apart from the fact that we're defending the woman, it could also be said, woman to know what country or we and is a beman and also come and I already knows because no woman has a man of any respect. I mean, seriously, we are police now only came up with a wee boy. Someone you're supposed to be arrested for that act. Now, over respect a man way. Now, what sounds very real say, or no wee boy, or who know, yes, I was maybe all respect. And I was a voice, even if a new situation will crash, the any man I say, boys, I say, only. Obi near air bangia, who bearman was ever told to see the moon was no. I respect me. Oh, why you can't work bamboo? Now, only serious, only responsible. And I was a BBC sana, a young man, Yakasa. So I said, no, BBC sana, Yakasa. And I make no one, yes, my men, and couldn't say, and I don't know where I couldn't say, then I may say, Oh, on back at a young boy, with a wee boy, with an energetic boy, with a bright yes, sir. Obey complaining. Women be about complainers. It's about complaining, who said, this is the information you, the woman, has given to me about your husband. The information I want the amount of banner and a better the kind of respect the person has to give to your husband. Was it's because the woman has perhaps not been able to say so much about her husband. And now what the man says, I say, I didn't Debbie, so but I say, I say anything. Nah, no, no, so. What's all kind of sign? I want Bobemani who say, they said, someone you have a little respect for and fear for. It's women that there is a possibility. Say, there is a possibility that something may happen. I don't know most of the time they'll say, when they are in an act, another Beman or the other countryman, or who said, or tree the every farm, or who said, a friend to say, Beman neighbor, or neighbor, or did with Kadrani. So what I said. But wait, on the other hand, perhaps you are catching on what's Mama Nati as I said, because the Beman of Kakone, Ubiasa, was said, so small. And Lutina, Emma, young boy, and a disrespectful policeman. Now, and sit then, and obituary information, friends, petam. Emma information, man on direction to the Bia Obani Bemano, aiding Kitan. I know of no yes, or more creative problems. I'm a more couple account was said near Waka Bomu, and say, Uba, now the shape if you now send. What God has put together, no man shall put what asunder. Until Ubaya or the kind of person to destroy the creation of God, what the problems, it's those kind of people, they should be very, very good. So, if I'm finding out, I'm finding out on one own. Don't be the one responsible for the breakup. So maybe I want to say Obana as I did you breaking your mind or breaking principles. Do breaking principle and your Baba when you were glassing. Say morally no, any biblically no, yeah, Christopher no. Yeah, very cautious about certain things that we do. Bible Nakasa at was and then upon your boom and say what I say. So far as yes, somebody ever bought now, so they never so about only so what I say. Inti asam beba mane asam nanga sambra on natural. Yes, say truth no one no quarry no. Oh yeah, then try no quarry a baby. So what I say. So no matter how long it takes, the truth shall finally emerge. And so allow the truth to emerge on its own. Okay. Don't be the one responsible for this breakup. It's all the panel. Yes, I don't know. Trump Bebano. So after let's look at the normal aspect of it, where it is as friends, the boy, who said, you know who HT war, you know who I ain't meet last day, and Massad way is in a disrespect way. And we're talking about a policeman for that matter. It's a disrespect way, and Massanapi, you know, Kunimu Guase, and Newton, I sure say the one that responsible or car, and who said it's right, say, then we hearing now on the water, baby. I kind of want them to do you a pound with that TV than in your news, and yet time. And the water would news, yes. Say, now, so as I said, so I think that the man had the right to know whatever was going on, and in as much as Christian wise, I will say that whoever was responsible for the information, while wrong, I would say also that the man had the right to know what's actually going on, because no one deserves that kind of thing happening to them. Yes, it's say the opinion who deserve it to say. And I mean, I say it's say Emma Opia, it's way purely to say Obani cheating, so it was wrong, say Obani ASI. It's just normal, say their man was allowed to have that kind of information.
Now, Miriam, who share a year about the woman in question on your jobless or your police woman, and you know they are paid. Their man also in question is sergeants also working. So I don't think say money is the problem in this case. It will share the important amount of to me if I am economic.
very well. I wanted to address this. Okay, we really if you permit us, with this particular question, and the kind of say was like every situation in every relationship. So they had to be a kind of say if you are money or bad or the things that you do, no nothing. We don't see them anymore, and women are very, very emotional, and women have a different way of analyzing certain situations. And we are very conclusive too, quick at concluding everything. And he said, the beginning now, the little change be bad relationship now. We are the ones that are mostly insecure about the relationship. We be between we do on our year, MINA, Jonah, Ujaya, say, all the go be fufu. Because that is what you have made us understand. Say it is part and parcel of you, it is your nature. Or as a human being, as a man in our lives, these are the things that you made us fall in love with. So what I say, in junior JP, you make us question your reaction, especially when in a course, now yama you go jai after so time on the bed, you my pay, time on the bed, and I know time at the poor, now you would time on the bed, now watch what proceed 2 hours, 3 hours, then you should be in the house. Traffic in your friends in the to it. Now they look up 5, 6, 7, 8 hours in the now maybe time up and after the channel on our so called all of these things are problems in the relationship.
If the person is weak, can lead to such
more so no. Again, now why you ignore the person for quite too long. The things that you're supposed to do or the things that you were doing that a man if I fall in love with you, you fall short at enter. These are the things that contribute to problems like this. These are the things that most of the time they come back amount for edge that and doing that side. They only like to criticize, but we are in this critic world where the world is full of critics, and this is not the time for us to criticize almost everything. But but as we address that we should also look at the other side of it. So now in Memana or who say, oh my cheat when a my no so contributed very well. They have faults at this particular area.
The point you are given, say, now all of a sudden, on your view, the attitude, and all that. Say we do a mistake and say we are expecting so much like what he used to do. We are expecting him to do it continuously. I won't say a mistake. That's what I'm saying. We changes even here ourselves. The things at times we want to do, we don't do it. We end up doing a different thing. Two months say, or starting when they jump. I say we have it behind your mind said we can change because as time goes on, people changes. Situation make people changes.
Nemeka say indeed expectation breeds about disappointment. When you have too much expectation, you are easily disappointed.
Okay.
Indeed, and indeed, people change is inevitable in the life of man. People tend to change here and then, but the change that we are expecting is perhaps circumstantial, where maybe as cases be and they see now and now. Maybe I never be say as a but certain things that also say we should expect these. I would say you fall short at loving the person, it becomes a problem. So what I say, and I see it say in cases like this, this is the things that you do, okay, that I fall in love with, and you know it, and you still want to maintain this relationship. What then do you have to do? If the change should happen, I think that the relationship should rather be spiced up rather than say, so it should be spiced up. And then say, and then when I'm a year and I fall in love, so my society, me, yes, I didn't do. And yet, some of us are and nothing about so this is the thing that
we are going into deep of this case. Media, but papa we are sashi come we are and the warrior buying where Juma now watching sergeant you bro so dear this year
law. The only mistake is the sergeant or sue him, but the sergeant Nicholas still has no right to sue him because he was the first person to throw the punch. And that's what I'm
No, he was there to, I mean, take the wife, and definitely there will be a reaction. But it doesn't mean you that you've offended. Wow.
I know you're brother fan okay. So I said, but I want to say policeman who would say I'm very reactive. See, I'm not very reactive.
But everybody said, I have a papa, wait there. What she all reactive first.
Say, oh, you mistake. Me assure as a gentleman, who policeman, a babu, near sure. So it wasn't expected, near see, for him to react, it means that the policeman reacted. First, it's all acting and almost reacting. So what I say, yes. It's remember kind of say, I want to be you guys, but what say, Ghana the all power. It's all normal for them because and almost be you for households. I want to be
we're proud, but we're proud.
But Una, everything wasn't rape. Una want to share, so it was out of defense. It was almost you, brother said. When the power, let me explain this. This wasn't rape. This was a mutual argument, and it was out of way. Law. This is how law is going to fight for.
But don't you know she was married?
But anyway, okay. I'm maybe not that time. I cannot wait the other
conversation.
Also, oh yeah, boy, yeah, chihuahua. Police woman, we had a body. We're friends with benefits.
But I'll find out what's near to I was 7 years. Now I see a digging into it, the possible that triggered all these actions.
The American said, why are we responsible for breaking up marriages? And so you're very, very careful. I feel so one day from there, Charles say, Muni was say, anyway, I will share them and say anyway for your own sanity's sake. For your own emotional strength and capability's sake, you don't have to go there and then find out. I mean, the moon is so far as what say our own, nobody be never be fear. What the next last one I can once men yet fat and set and broke was Wakuma. Oh, son of one, money
she will cry, Ben now, will be that Chasing kind. Oh,
it's too quiet and quiet and yes, you have to be very
best house of selection. It's therefore. Was so is that and I share your discussion I call free then I want to work from I give a penny actually our platform so also over here so we don't adventure get to your comment section and subscribe to my G don't boy and I and yeah trending news discussions and then live streaming gather too so now so I'm with natural working. Now I think so like initially promote you and then so when you about Mexican mene a kia brony and I train. Yeah, the mobile see any pa. Yeah, the sun is sharp.